So let's get started with Zalster as fast as possible. So I'm guessing you want to automate manual tasks. You want to get better performance, and I will help you with that. So I'm gonna walk through the tools. First of all, you have generate report. And this, if you click this, you will get a visual report of performance presented in a really nice way. You can see some demographics, some geographics, and some other cool data. Just scroll down and see what happens. And if we go back to the main window, you can also click on something called Smart Rules. And if you click this, you will get to this overview where you can select a campaign, and then you can specify rules. So for example, in this case, I have an active rule that pauses ads with a purchase CPA higher than 33, and I want this to be analyzed on the last 3 days, including today, and I want this to be checked every hour. So this rule for the selected ads, pause any ads that for the last 3 days, including today, have a higher CPA than 33. So by activating this, it will simply automatically happen for you. And you can also do this for ad sets, for example. So let's see here, I have these 6 ad sets. If purchase CPA is higher than 50 for the last 2 days, including today, and I want this to be checked at midnight, then the ad set should be paused. So it's simple as that. And I highly recommend you to set up these rules because that will help you. And then going back to the main window, you can see that we also have something called Auto Boost Post. So if you have organic content that you automatically want to boost with a specified budget to a specified audience, you can set up those rules here. So any organic content on Facebook that you want to be boosted automatically. Simple as that. And now let's jump into the algorithms. So if you click on a campaign, you will see some extra data, you'll see some breakdowns, you can see what happens on a daily basis here. Really neat. And you can also click on optimize budgets, and this will give you the opportunity to optimize your daily budgets for this campaign or several campaigns. So first of all, verify that the KPI is correct. In this case, it's sign up, and choose whether you like high ROAS or low CPA. I'm picking low CPA. And then I have the opportunity to create a campaign pull budget or campaign budget. So campaign budget, if you specify a campaign budget, we will set a Facebook CBO budget. But if you pick campaign pull budget, you will have the option to select any number of campaigns, 2 or more, where you can create a pool, and this budget will be optimized between these campaigns on a daily basis. So instead of setting the budget on each campaign, you're specifying a budget for a pool of campaigns, and we will automatically reallocate that budget every midnight and when you activate this algorithm. So in this case, I want this budget to be optimized between those 2 campaigns I selected. And I click next step, and I can verify the attribution window or change it. And then lastly, I can do something really cool. So I can automatically increase budget for this whole pool if CPA is lower than some kind of threshold. So in this case, I'm going with if the CPA is lower than 50 for the last 7 days in average. I want the budget to be increased with 500 for every day where this is true. So this automation will read the average CPA for the campaigns in this campaign pool, and if it's lower than 50 for the last 7 days, it will increase the pool budget with 500. So this is also highly recommended and really effective. You can also do the same thing with decreasing budget if performance is bad, or both. So I'm going with that, and next step, and then just launch optimization, and boom, we go into space. So it's simple as that. So to get started with Zalster, I suggest that you go to Smart Rules and set up some rules. You activate budget optimization, and if you have campaigns with the same goal, you put them in a campaign pool and set a campaign pool budget, and we will automatically change the budgets between these campaigns every midnight. And that's it. So that's a recommended way to get started with Zalster, and you will also discover some other features in this platform, but I wanted to highlight the most important ones for you. So good luck.